Well, good morning again. Look at it. It's dry. That's been a rarity lately. So today is Sunday. We are 2 weeks on now from getting back from the Tour de Faf. And I think this is the second time that we'll have been out. So we're going to make the most of it. Now, Howie said that he was going to pop across to a place called the Quickshifter Cafe. That's in a place called Wells, W-E-L-L-S, not Wales, the country. It's in a place called Wells, near Glastonbury. And we've invited ourselves to go and meet up with him. So I'm going to ride up to Blandford. I'm going to meet up with Steve. Then we're going to head off up there and see if we can't meet up with Howie. Have a coffee, bit of cake. Who knows? Maybe even some brekkie. What I'll do, I'll turn you off and I'll put them all back on again when we meet up with Steve. I shall see you then. Bye for now.
That should have synced up with you, shouldn't it?
Yeah, got that.
That's all it takes, isn't it?
Yep. I'm indicating left, you knobhead.
I am.
No, he sat there waiting, looking at me. I said I'm indicating left.
Right.
So I've got my jeans on, but I've got my waterproofs in the top box.
Why did you bring your waterproofs?
Well, you never know.
Sounds like you're coming out prepared now, Nige.
Oh, smell that egg and bacon.
That's lovely, isn't it? Well, if you do change your suit, you won't need to carry waterproofs all the time.
No.
It's nice to have them because, you know, obviously if you're going to set the day off in the rain, chuck your waterproof over top of the suit, it just saves a bit of hassle, doesn't it?
Yeah. Right, we're on the 360, so that should be picking you up behind me nice and clearly now.
Hello, 360.
When I had it here, it was picking up my shoulder and that, so you couldn't really see much behind.
Oh, I see, yeah. What you thinking, by using that you can drop a camera?
Well, it should be a bit further out, so it should pick you up.
Yes.
But I mean, it's just, I mean, the back camera's getting you properly anyway. But I mean, it's just for views out to the side and like filming me as well.
Yeah, it's just that little bit extra, isn't it?
It's just another view, isn't it?
I nearly put my drift on this morning.
Oh, mine is down here, let's shit in the road, and it looks a bit
conkers.
Greasy.
Oh no, it's not. It's acorns.
Just looked a bit slippy, didn't it?
It does that.
The roads are better than I thought after all that fucking rain. Or at least the main ones.
The main ones are, yeah. Coming out of my place, it was just like riding on ball bearings, the amount of bloody acorns we got on the ground at the moment.
Hedge trimming.
Do you like a nicely trimmed hedge? I want one of those.
Can't. It's always good when you can't see, isn't it?
Yeah.
At least he stopped for us.
Yep, there's nothing worse than getting one of them branches in your face, is there?
I know. Fucking things. Just curl these tyres up a bit then. Well, that surface is shitty there, isn't it?
Breaking up and straight, isn't it? It's all over the place, isn't it?
A lot of that road there is starting to bloody slip away. It was all
It is, isn't it? It's like the sub-base is gone, isn't it?
Car on the left waiting to come out.
There you go.
Oh, bitch.
Hey?
She's got a sign in the front of her car windscreen saying bitch.
Oh.
Fucking hell. An idiot, that pickup.
Pub to let there. Bloody rent they want's extortion.
This always baffles me. That bike shop has been there for years, donkey's years, and it still survives. So they either do a lot of cycling in Stallbridge.
Yeah. Or he's got a good online
Yeah.
presence. Nice
Up here in a
one.
minute is a turn into the right, and as you go down there, there's a where that blue one's coming out of.
Yeah.
There's a humpback bridge.
Yeah.
You used to be able to get all 6 wheels of the ambulance off the deck.
Yeah, you'll have to edit that bit out. Welcome to Somerset.
KTM second bike.
That's
Oh,
the
look.
nicest at the front. A
Yeah.
whole bunch of them.
Yeah. Lovely jubbly. Nice. Loads of them. GS.
It's when we see Nick with them. It's like, I
Yeah.
thought you couldn't come out.
He said, no, I just couldn't come out with you wankers.
I don't blame him.
Remote key not in range. It's in me fucking tank bag, you fucking wanker.
You still not changed the battery on that yet?
No, get me money's worth out of that one.
Have you got a spare one just in case though?
No. I
You know
keep
what
meaning to buy one and forget.
You know what we keep saying about last night, wasn't it, about when they had the old reserve?
Yeah.
You stick it on reserve, then you forget, don't you? And all of a sudden you've got
Forget,
no petrol. Could happen to your battery if you're not careful.
Yeah, it's on 360.
If I had one, which I'm never ever going to get one because it's too complicated, I'd have it sideways like that, and then you're protecting the lens, aren't you? It's a smaller,
Yeah, it's a less smaller target, isn't it?
Yeah,
I mean, I've got DJI Care Refresh on it for 2 years.
yeah,
So, and also, I mean, that covers you for, I think, three lenses in the 2 years.
all right.
So, you know, you're covered on that. Even if you have to pay, you send it off, it's 25 quid to have the lens replaced.
Yeah.
You know, which isn't stupid money, which is good.
I was going to catch up with you today. You know, when you had the Insta 360,
Yeah.
I was going to ask you what settings you used. Because a mate of mine's got a 360.
That I can't remember. I honestly didn't use it that much before I sold it to Alex.
Yeah. I'll ask him what he uses.
Alex said it, yeah, because he's really gone to town with the settings and that, and he's got it working well.
Yeah.
Nice little gaffler. What's that sound there? The Vale of Blackmore. Got all the plaques up on the outside of
It
it.
does, doesn't it? Looks like a toll house, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So you used to have them semi-circular fronts so they could spot you from either direction. A bit like speed cameras nowadays, isn't it?
Get you from everywhere. See this car in front, the Peugeot RCZ?
Yeah.
My missus. Oh, I really like them. I'd love one of them. So we went and had a white one. It was nice. It was nice. Big black fucking 20-inch wheels on it and fuck knows what. So anyway, I get down into it. I'm sat in it thinking, fucking hell, my head's on the roof. My missus sat in the seat next to me and we're playing fucking elbow tennis.
Yeah.
And trying to get out. What a fucking joke. I had to roll out of it onto the floor almost. And I said to my missus, I said, well, I'll tell you now, if we have one, I won't be fucking driving it. I'll stick to me Vectra. And I mean, I gotta admit, when I drove it, fuck me, it goes around the corners like it's a go-kart.
Yes.
They're getting it. Somebody else been through there, look. Oh yeah, look, fucking hell.
Oh, he's still there.
He's done a nose to tail.
It's a C-Max.
It was.
I know it's Somerset, but it is nice up here, isn't it?
Oh yeah. You don't tell them that though.
No.
Give way to traffic from the right, my ass.
This is your favourite junction, isn't it?
Yeah. I can't believe they actually got fucking white lines there now.
Just idiots kept going through and not giving way.
Yeah, there's Howie just turned in that. Straight down the end now, I know where it is, Unit 6. There it is.
Hello, Howie.
He's not on, is he? Because
oh no.
we've set up a new group because he's got a new Cardo Edge.
All right.
His other one's knackered.
Everybody
Yep.
on? Right. Right. Well, that should sync everyone up. As soon as you haven't got one on your chin, Nige,
Yeah.
if you say, oh, look at that church, I'll just make a point of spinning round and having a look at it for you. Off we go.
Oh look, some cows.
Yeah.
And a
rhino.
and a rhinoceros. Yeah.
Certainly. You're not recording, Nige.
Is it not? I thought it was.
You've got it on camera, I think.
Oh, bollocks, is it?
Yeah.
You just press the power button to toggle between photo and fucking video.
Yeah, it wasn't changing.
Fuck's sake. Fucking faffery.
Let me see if I can get there.
Is it?
Right, you're recording.
Cheers.
So I'll send you the bill. The Somerset levels. All off the sides, centre stand.
Going. Fucking Egypt. You fucking that nearly in the fucking river.
Oh, I see.
Shit the middle. Right where you want to be leaning. Changing from that side to that side. Somebody fucking cuts across it.